YouTube fam, what's going on? Just wanted to discuss a few things on what's been happening here with the TV fiasco. I call it fiasco because that's exactly what it's been. I recently purchased the A9G, as you folks know, in the 77-inch. Had a little bit of a problem with a little bit of screen damage on the first one after I noticed it about 3 weeks in, and I ordered another one. To make a long story short, just found out today that thing's still sitting on the dock somewhere, being shipped out. So I've ordered it 5-6 days ago, and now they haven't even shipped it out yet. So obviously I canceled the order. Sounds a little bit shaky there, but it's kind of the problem you get when you try to order something a little bit older from somebody you're not too familiar with, their policies and all that kind of good stuff. But needless to say, they did give me a refund. So I'm going to the A80J. Just to be upfront and frank with you folks out there, a lot of people saying I'm making an upgrade. Some people saying no. It shows on paper that, and from my past experience with the A80J, but only had the 55-inch, that it's a toss-up. But a lot of people are putting out there that the cognitive processor, along with the Evo panel and the 2.1, of course the VRR and all the new stuff that's on the television, is better than what I'm getting with the A9G. But my argument was the deep, rich image of the A9G can't be beat. So we're going to find out when I actually get it here in the next couple days which TV I actually prefer, and this may help a few of you people out there, whether or not you want to switch into the A80J or keep what you have in the A9G. So it's an open discussion. I'm leaving it open for anybody that wants to leave some comments in the comment section, and we're going to find out which one that I chose as far as picture quality. Now, if it's hands down the A9G, of course I'm not going to be keeping the A80J, but I seriously doubt it's going to be hands down in any way, any direction, because they're very close, very, 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 very close in picture quality. So we're going to find out here. I will do a introduction video of the A80J when I get it, but I've ordered it and it's already on its way. So we're looking at a couple days as opposed to two weeks, maybe 3 weeks with the other company. I'm not too sure. It was a little bit shaky on that. So like I said, when you order something old like that and you can't get it from somebody you've dealt and did business, have done business with, you don't know what exactly you're getting. And I just basically considered it as omen or something of that nature, where maybe it's the reason why I keep getting towards the A80J. I was going to say press toward the A80J, but a lot of people love this TV set. I said in my last video, it is the TV of the year of 2021, and I've had the 55-inch, love that as well, but I did not like the matte screen. As you all know, the 77 doesn't have that, and usually on the bigger screens they always put their pride in the bigger screens. Since there is not a Master Series TV out there that's an A80J or A90J, excuse me, I think this is going to be the Master Series of 2021 for the 77-inch TVs. You guys have a good one. Leave your remarks in the comment section, and we'll see you. By the way, this is the Samsung QN85A. I think I mentioned at the beginning, and this is my daily driver for now until the other TV gets here.